We've all seen a neglected garden bed, overgrown and forgotten, but every patch holds quiet promise, waiting for someone to notice its potential. The no-dig method is a gentle, simple way to revive it. Instead of digging, we feed the soil from the top, just like nature does. Layering compost, leaves, or cardboard protects worms, fungi, and microbes that make soil healthy. Everyday materials become the foundation for a flourishing garden, no expensive tools needed. It's easy on your back, your wallet, and the earth. You'll enjoy the process and feel connected to the land. With patience and care, even the most forgotten patch can become a place of beauty and abundance. Before adding anything, pause and observe your garden bed. The soil reveals clues if you know how to look. Is your soil dry and cracked, or full of weeds? Each sign tells a story about your garden's health. Weeds are messengers. Some thrive in poor soil, others in rich. Notice which ones you have. They reveal your soil's condition. Remove tough perennial weeds but leave some roots and debris. These break down and feed the soil. Don't aim for perfect tidiness. A little mess shelters insects and helps soil retain moisture. Grab a handful. Does it crumble, clump, or feel gritty? Every soil can be improved with care. Understanding your soil is the first step to a thriving, resilient garden. Now let's get ready to revive your soil and set the stage for a healthy garden. Start by giving your soil a deep, thorough watering. This wakes up dormant microbes and earthworms, setting the stage for healthy growth. Make sure the water soaks in deeply, reaching the roots. Next, spread a thick layer of compost or well-rotted manure, at least 2 inches right on top. This feeds the soil and improves its structure. Don't dig it in, let nature do the work. Worms and microbes will mix the compost naturally. Add a mulch layer, straw, wood chips, leaves, or cardboard, 2 to 3 inches thick. Mulch protects the soil, locks in moisture, and suppresses weeds. Now plant easy crops like lettuce, radishes, or beans. Just make small holes in the mulch and compost. The no-dig method is simple and effective. It saves you time and builds healthier soil year after year. With just a few mindful steps, you can transform tired soil into a thriving, productive patch. Watch your patch transform and enjoy the journey as your garden flourishes with new life. Now, the hardest part, waiting. It's not always easy, but it's essential. Beneath the mulch, worms and microbes are busy transforming your soil, working tirelessly out of sight. You won't see instant results, but small changes will appear. Darker soil, healthier plants, and fewer weeds over time. Resist the urge to dig or disturb. Let nature's systems work undisturbed, allowing the process to unfold. Your job is to observe and provide gentle care, supporting growth with patience. Notice how mulch keeps soil moist and plants thriving, even in heat or dry spells. This is a time for learning. Watch, wait, and trust the process as your garden grows. Gardening is about partnership, not control, and working with nature's rhythms. Each week, you'll see more life and vitality, a little more with every passing day. Patience brings the richest rewards, and your efforts will be worth it. Let nature's quiet work amaze you. Your garden is healing slowly but surely. In time, your once-forgotten patch will flourish and come alive with new growth. Strong, healthy plants will fill your bed, and the soil will be rich, teeming with life and vitality. You'll notice softer earth, more worms, and fewer weeds than ever before. Each season, simply add more compost and mulch. No digging needed, just gentle care. Gardening becomes a joyful partnership with nature, not a battle or a chore. You'll spend less time weeding and more time harvesting, savoring, and enjoying. Even the most neglected spot can become your garden's pride and joy. With patience and care, you've started a cycle of renewal and transformation. Keep feeding the soil, keep planting, and watch abundance grow every single year. The future of your garden is bright, promising, and truly bountiful.